Yeah. Leaving out the club with no hoes, it's a dub. You somewhere on house arrest pretending you in love. Exfoliate that nigga that you're with, he a scrub. Like I wanna know what's up, what happened to us? Your new nigga pretend to be the man, he a stud. Like Paddock that I had you in was hitting like a flood. Like we was really locked in, we got it out the mud.
Alright, what's good, yo? We got a special side quest today, and I'm vlogging the entire thing. So, this is my guy, Luke. How you doing, bro? How you doing? So, this is my boy I've known for the longest time, and if you got one of your boys who you do the stupidest shit with, this is the guy who I've done the dumbest shit with. So, we got some stupid shit planned out for today. Actually, a nice little adventure. We're going up to the mountains, going to a nice spot up there. And the game plan is that we're gonna be hitting a hot spring and we're gonna be crossing out rivers and stuff. So, how you feel about it?
Feel good. You know, hopefully the current not too strong. But
Hopefully the current not too strong.
I think we'll be good though.
Yeah, so we're about to stock up on some Wawa pretzels, which is like his favorite snack, and he put me on that. Wawa pretzels are fire, and we're gonna take it to the mountain and eat it there. But vlogging the entire thing, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, you're right.
Cause I'm
Alright, while we're running, we got chomps. We got the potion.
Yeah.
Potion, bro.
Yeah.
Ghost is dangerous. And then what we got?
Wawa pretzel.
Bro, I took one of the motherfuckers to Barcelona when I went up to Spain. Had a Wawa pretzel up there. But this is the fuel we got. I'm drinking this in the mountain. Ghost it's literally how I did a Miami trip in 15 hours in one day, in one sitting. So it's gonna be a breeze going up this mountain. Check this out right here. Check this out. I got the Beamer in the back. Man. Hold on, peep this. Oh, the views here are crazy. Crazy, Luke. Crazy, bro. Check this out. Hold up. Oh, this is crazy. This is what I enjoy about being in the mountains. The scenery is crazy. Stuff. And then we're in a abandoned building. Oh, check this out. Like, this is a broken ass hotel. And all of the windows and shit are broken in. It's abandoned. It's kind of creepy, but it's broad day. I think there's someone over there. So, no, that's crazy, bro. That's what I enjoy. Just being with me and my boy, because we just do the most impulsive shit. I was like, let's just stop here real quick. We're just chilling here. It's like some abandoned shit, bro. Hold on. We got some. Because we higher up, bro.
Feels like I'm really like breathing.
You're a retard. Nah, this is crazy though. We just got here.
That's nice.
You're a dumbass. Bro. Just got here pulling up with a shiesty. But Beamer off-roading. Looks like we gotta cross some rivers too. So one thing about Luke,
we're in the George Washington and Jefferson National Forest.
bro. One thing about this guy is that he's really fucking good with maps. Oh, there's bears here?
Yeah, bro, we're in the forest.
I guess that does make sense. Black bears have a flat Roman nose. Generally avoid humans. However, a hungry bear will enter a backyard or campground if lured by smells. Cooked.
Oh, this is ultimately what we need. We gotta be right here. Oh yeah. See, we go here. I told you they always tell you where you at. So if we keep walking straight right here,
Bro,
we on the St. Mary's Trail.
We're cooked.
Keep walking straight.
Where is the...
That's what I'm don't really say nothing about no hot spring.
Yeah, so the point is that we're trying to find a hot spring. And one of our buddies went down this trail before, and he said he had to cross multiple rivers. And right now we're trying to find that. That is ultimately the journey. How can we find this? Oh shit. Hold on. Keep this up. You gotta use the walking stick for this. Whoa, what is that? Hold on. It's weird. It's a new character unlocked, bro. Watch your jet. Boom.
That motherfucker is poisonous.
New character unlocked. Hold on. Ooh. This is weird. Yeah. Oh, what if we found the Richmond Anaconda again?
That was scary.
Bro, when we were hiking in Richmond, like an island, there was like a 80-foot snake. Was it 80 feet?
About so.
About so. No, it was like, bro, it was this tiny ass garden snake, and we like freaked the fuck out. It's funny. It did catch me off guard. It was like the tiniest, cutest snake ever. We caught a Richmond Anaconda, just to, like scare our boys. This is dope so far. Ooh, good stuff. So, about 15 minutes since it, no, not 15 minutes, like 10 minutes since the walk. Our goal is still finding a hot spring. Let's see if we can find it. But check this out. Check out what we found. You gonna hydrate? Hey, look at this. Bro, this is the coolest shit ever. Yeah. Look at my body red. The coldness. Boo! Oh my god.
It's fine.
Oh. That was all about water, bro. It feels crazy.
I think that feels good, bro.
It does, bro. Trust me. Woo! Yo, who does this? Who does this? He looks crazy. He looks crazy.
Yeah. Now we're the south side. Now we're the west side. Yeah. Can I talk my shit again? Even if I don't hit again? Dog, are you fucking kidding? My hat, my shoes, my coat, Louis Vuitton stitch. With Donatella Versace, that's Louis Vuitton, bitch. I think Hennessy, I drink, I'm gone. Off that Bacardi, Limona, Corona, I'm zoning. Class back in session, so
All right, boys, I just got back to my apartment, and the last 3 hours, I haven't really filmed anything because after the waterfall, we were pretty fucking hungry, so we hit this barbecue spot, which was really, really cool, really good food. And then the past 2 hours, we kind of just been chopping it up in the car and enjoying being around each other and enjoying this entire day and just soaking up the moment. And so blessed after today, so blessed to have these experiences today, so blessed to be able to go out in God's creation, nature, and experience today because it was really, really fun. And I really hope that you got to see something different in me today because I like doing these kind of side quests where I like to be myself, go out in nature and just be present in the moment and not really be tied down by any schedule and just be myself. And I really believe that it's the discipline, the standard that I set for myself on a daily basis that I allow myself to do things like this because I work hard. I hold myself to such a high standard and I try to push my body to maximum limits every single day and, you know, push my mindset every single day. And what comes with working hard is also playing hard as well. Like going out and doing things that I really enjoy, like being out in the woods, being out in the forest, being out like with my boys and enjoying each other and chopping it up and just talking about life, talking about experiences, talking about perceptions of life. Yeah, bro, it was really good today, and I'm glad that I vlogged that thing because it's gonna be fun watching back that footage. Other than that, I'm pretty fucking hungry, so I'm going to go ahead and get a good meal in me and finish up the day. And other than that, I appreciate y'all for watching up to this part of this video, and I will see y'all later. Peace.